Hello students, welcome to online lecture. Myself Sri Mahendra Patil, assistant teacher from Mahatma Gandhi Vidya Mandirs, KBH Vidyalaya and Junior College Malegaon camp. Dear friends, we are going to study subject biology. In that, we are going to study chapter number 10 and name of the chapter is Human Health and Disease. In this chapter, we are going to deal with topic number 10.1, that is immunity. Before that, I am going to introduce some basic terms like health, hygiene, factor and factor affecting on health, as well as I am going to introduce maintenance of good health and characters of good health. So listen about hygiene. Hygiene is a science of health. आरोग्याचं शास्त्र त्याला हायजीन असं म्हटलं जातं. सो the science of health is known as hygiene. It aims at preserving, maintaining, and improving health of individual or community as a whole. So, every human being is the author of his own health or disease. Then other term is disease. Disease is a scientific word derived from the two different word dis plus is, means lack of immunity. Then I am going to explain about the health. There is question arise on this topic. What is health or define health? So listen carefully. What is health? Health does not simply means absence of disease or physical fitness. हेल्थ म्हणजे नुसतं शारीरिक तंदुरुस्ती असा त्याचा अर्थ होत नाही, किंवा आरोग्यापासून किंवा आजारापासून मुक्त असाही त्याचा अर्थ होत नाही. सो हेल्थ डज नॉट सिम्पली मीन्स ॲब्सेन्स ऑफ डिसीज ऑर फिजिकल फिटनेस. अकॉर्डिंग टू दी WHO, the long form of WHO is World Health Organization. So according to the WHO, health is defined as a complete state of physical, mental and social well-being of a person. In short, health is birthright of humans. Health also affect the metabolic and functional activity of living organism. So when people is healthy, they are more efficient at work. This increase the productivity and brings economic prosperity. Listen again, same. When people is healthy, they are more efficient at work, and this increase the productivity and bring economic prosperity. Health also increases long life and reduces infant and maternal mortality. The good health is maintained by balanced diet, personal hygiene, regular exercise, a right attitude of mind, good habits, drinking clean water, community hygiene, knowledge about disease and their effect on body. These are the factors used to maintain the good health. Simply, it means that the health is maintained by balanced diet, personal hygiene, regular exercise, right attitude of mind, good habits, drinking clean water, community hygiene, knowledge about disease and their effect on body. Then the next topic, that is the factors affecting on health. There are some of the factors they affect on the health. They are responsible for the health. These factors are genetic disorder, infection, lifestyle, food, water, rest, exercise and habits. These are the certain factors which affect on the health. So listen about this factor in detail. So listen about the first factor, that is genetic disorder. The disorder which are transmitted from generation to generation, they are responsible for the or the genetic disorder are affect on the health. The disorder which are transmitted by genes, transmitted through the chromosomes from one generation to next generation, and they are responsible for the causes causing disease and affect on the health. So deficiencies children born with and deficiencies or defect child inherit, that is about genetic disorder. Then second one, infection. Infection is other factor which affect on health, which affecting on the health. Infection caused by bacteria, viruses and number of other disease causing agent leads into the disease and that affect on the health of a person. Next one, lifestyle. The lifestyle is also affect on the health of an individual or affect affect on the health of a person, as a proper and suitable lifestyle is responsible for the good health. Balanced diet, excessive not excessive, sufficient food and drinking clean water also affect on health. So for good health, clean water is essential for drinking, as well as for good health. Sufficient and balanced diet, sufficient food is essential. Then next one, rest is also affect on the health. So for the good health, rest and regular exercise is also essential. That means rest and regular exercise also affect on health. And some of the good habits are essential for the good health. That means habit also affect on the health. Then the last topic, that is characteristics of good health. There are certain important characteristics of person having good health. These are as the person which having good health shows the characters like as that person is free from sickness and disease. Next one, the next characteristics of good health is person free from unnecessary anxiety. Next one, free from social and physiological tension, and person which have good health shows self confidence. Again, such a person which have good health having a most important feature or character, that is feeling joy in living. Then last one, the person with good health shows other most important feature, ability to work efficiently and at the best. जे ज्याचं आरोग्य चांगलं असेल त्या व्यक्तीमध्ये काम करण्याची क्षमता असतेच, त्याचबरोबर ते काम चांगल्या पद्धतीने करण्याची क्षमता सुद्धा असते. As shown in figure, the indication of good health are as the good health indicates the person being popular, and the person with good health indicates self confident, and the person having healthy weight. The person with good health indicate free from illness or injury and feeling good about yourself. Then having a reliable group of friends also indicate good health. Good health indication of good health are first one being popular, second one confident, third one healthy weight, fourth one free from illness or injury, fifth one feeling good about yourself, and sixth one having a reliable group of friends. These are the certain indication of good health found in a person which have good health. So that is about the human health. The remaining topic of this chapter we will see in next time, next lecture. So thank you.